Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to share an account link on Instagram using your PC. This new update makes it super easy to connect your friends with accounts you love. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Instagram.com. If you aren't logged in yet, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your feed filled with posts from all the accounts you follow. Now, let's find the account you want to share. You can scroll through your feed or use the search bar at the top of the page. If you know the username, simply type it in and click on the profile when it appears in the search results. This will take you directly to the account you want to share. Once you're on the account's page, look at the top right corner of the profile. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. Click on these dots to reveal a menu of options. This is where the sharing magic happens. From the menu, click on Share To. This will open a new window that allows you to decide how you want to share the account link. You'll have several options, such as sending it directly to friends through Instagram messages or posting it to your own story for all your followers to see. If you choose to send the link via direct messages, just select the friends you want to share it with. You can even add a personal message, like, "Check out this amazing account." This small touch can make your message feel more engaging. If you decide to share it in your story, you can customize your post with text, stickers, or even polls to make it interactive. Once you've made it look just right, click Share to post it to your story. And that's it. You've successfully shared an account link on Instagram using your PC. This feature is a fantastic way to introduce your friends to new accounts and content you love. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing on Instagram.